책을 읽기 전에 1950년 6월 25일 일어난 6.25 전쟁은
같이 놀던 내 친구 아기 멧돼지가 보이질 않아.
Before you read. The Korean War commenced on June 25th, 1950.
Oh? There's a hole I've never seen before. It's too dark. I can't see anything. Did he fall down this hole?
Good afternoon. Welcome to the peculiar DMZ Eco Park. Today is the park's birthday. This park was founded on July 27th in 1953 when North Korea and South Korea called a truce and stopped warring. People created the truce line and put barbed wire fences around the park. No one can trespass the peculiar DMZ Eco Park without special permission.
What? What is she talking about?
지금 제가 앞에 서 있는 곳이
Kang Hyuna majored in sculpture at university and is currently working as an artist.
I became a cartridge case fish with no predators. Bang! Bang bang! If I make these fake gunshot noises, other fish don't come near me. Even birds don't hunt me. You don't get scared by anything?
From artist. As an artist, I explore things, events, or areas and project